Losing weight does not start in the gym. It does not start with extreme dieting. It starts the moment you wake up. Your morning habits decide how your body burns fat, how your metabolism works, and how much energy you feel all day. And no, you don't need a perfect morning routine. You just need a few simple habits done consistently. The first habit begins before food, before coffee, before anything else. Hydration. Drinking a glass of water in the morning helps wake up your digestive system, boosts metabolism, and reduces unnecessary cravings. Your body loses water while you sleep. Refilling it first thing in the morning helps your system function better. If you want, you can add lemon to warm water. Not as a miracle drink, but as support for digestion and freshness. The second habit is movement. Not intense workouts, not gym pressure, just movement. A short walk, light, stretching, or simple mobility exercises can wake up your muscles and signal your body to start burning calories. Even 10 to 15 minutes is enough. Consistency matters more than intensity. Next comes sunlight. Morning sunlight helps regulate your internal body clock. It improves sleep quality at night, balances hormones, and supports weight loss naturally. Step outside, open a window. Let natural light touch your skin. This small habit makes a big difference over time. Now let's talk about breakfast. Skipping breakfast is not for everyone. If you're hungry, eat a balanced meal. Focus on protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Eggs, fruits, oats, yogurt, or whole grains are better choices than sugary cereals or pastries. What you eat in the morning affects cravings for the rest of the day. Another powerful morning habit is mindful breathing. Stress increases belly fat. High stress raises cortisol levels, which slows fat loss. Spend 2 or 3 minutes breathing deeply. Calm your mind. Set your intention for the day. Weight loss is not only physical, it's mental too. Now here's something most people ignore. Morning routines are easier when you're not alone. If you're a couple or living with a partner, wake up together, walk together, encourage each other. Don't force, don't criticize. Support, because when motivation is low, support keeps you going. Healthy habits don't just change bodies, they build stronger relationships. One more important habit: avoid starting your day with your phone. Scrolling increases stress, disrupts focus, and affects eating behavior. Give your body time before your mind gets overloaded. A calm morning creates a disciplined day. And finally, remember this: weight loss is not about perfection. You will miss days. You will feel tired. That's normal. What matters is consistency. Small habits, done every morning, create real transformation. You are not chasing fast results. You are building a lifestyle your body can trust. And when your mornings improve, your health follows. Small habits, every morning, real weight loss. Thank you for watching this video. If this helped you, please like and share it with someone who needs a little motivation. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple, realistic health and weight loss tips. Stay consistent.